For this video, kakain kami ng tinapay.
Oh, cookies sa cookies.
Kasi wala kang budget.
Oh, that's...
He got that off. He's not. Got that off. He's searching it. He's 123.
Mm.
Go. I don't play that forward. I think it's really cool.
Sarap.
I'm bigger than Dennis. I'm bigger than Dennis. You must be on feature in Nike Ball.
Kung nanood ka, nanonood. Hindi mo pa nood. Hmm?
Locations in Red Dead Redemption 2. The first course is the American Standard Bread.
Nood ka.
You can find it west.
Sana magdami viewers ko kasi 4 pa rin ako. 4 pa dyan. Oo nga, 4 pa ako. Napakasarap.
Mr. Beast, one question. How many likes on TikTok for a video? I don't know, a billion. A billion? Come on, be real. Okay, 100 million. 100 million? Okay, thank you. Do you know how to get COD points in the new COD mode?
Napakasarap. Good luck. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Sana mag-like rin kayo sa akin. Bye-bye. And subscribe. At salamat sa nag-like sa akin. And subscribe.